Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings and tapping your My Account entry. This is where many add toggles live. You need to sign in if required so changes sync. Once done, go to Additional Settings and tap Authorization and Revocation to remove ad permissions. You do this now because MIUI links services to ads. Revoking prevents system apps from showing personalized promotions. Make sure to keep your network active while the account updates, so settings take effect immediately. Next, open core system apps like Security, Cleaner, File Manager, and Music. These embed recommendation banners. You will find settings inside each app and an option named Recommended or Receive Recommendations. Turn that off. Do this because even with account revocations, app-level toggles can still show static ads. Once disabled, clear app cache and force stop if ads persist. That forces the UI to refresh and removes leftover banner instances. Finally, you must disable MSA and limit the advertiser ID to stop system ads at the source. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Manage Apps, find MSA, and revoke its permissions or uninstall updates, then turn off Show Recommendations. Also open Google Settings to reset and opt out of advertising ID so third-party targeting stops. Once done, reboot the phone to apply changes. If ads persist, clear app data for the offending app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.